Okay guys, welcome to my gloves. I want to introduce my friend, Indian friend named Ali.
Hi, hi.
Hello guys, this is Ali. My cook here.
I say something. Steward Ali. You see, my chief cook is doing the very nice chicken from this.
Wow.
You see this?
I'm trying to explain how to cut the lobster properly. Huh?
Better cut and eating, huh?
Later we eat, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Just take out the bag because this is where the
Dirty?
the dirty things come. Huh? Okay.
Okay.
Then you what do you call this? Hammer.
Yeah.
You hammer the cloth because it's easier for the
Cutting.
people
Eating.
to eat later. Okay? That's the technique.
Yes.
Finish.
This
Then
one.
another one.
Yes.
First you clean. This is not proper way of cleaning, only just like this. Huh? Don't use the knife.
Yeah.
Okay? Use blue.
Fish.
Yeah. Use blue chopping board. Huh? First, you cut the tails in half. You see?
Yeah.
Up. It has a line here. It serves as a guide.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you see the line.
Yeah.
There's a line, huh?
Yeah.
Then you cut next the head.
Two
This
pieces.
is where you see the bag.
Yeah.
Very bad. This is the small fishes that he eat. If it's too dirty, then you wash again. Then again, hammer the claw so that it's easier later to eat. Okay?
Yes, you are number one. Cutting. You the promotion for this. Video.
Okay,
Okay.
done. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for
Bye.
Come and see you.
Bye bye.
See you again. Next vlog.